The Maharashtra Home Department has proposed the suspension of Deputy Inspector General of Police Sunil Paraskar, who is accused of rape and molestation by a model. On the phone line with me is Kashif Khusro with more information. Yes, Kashif.
News just coming in that the Home Department had proposed the suspension of tainted DIG Sunil Paraskar, who was accused of raping a model, and now this proposal was sent to to Chief Minister Prithviraj Chavan, and this proposal has been accepted, and the DIG has as of now been suspended by the Chief Minister, is what we understand from sources from the CM's office. This is after the Home Department said that there is an inquiry pending against him, there's a case pending against him, and he's out on anticipatory bail. And because he's a police officer, he's likely to influence witnesses, as well as there were reports that he was threatening the model and the lawyer. And because of that, the Home Department wanted a fair and independent probe into this case. For that reason, he has been suspended, is what we understand from the CM's office.
Now, the State Women's Commission as well as various political parties had been demanded that he suspended pending the trial in the case.
Well, yes, there has been a mixed reaction to his case. Rather, there has been Shiv Sena, which is the main opposition party here in Maharashtra, has in fact gone on to support him in their mouthpiece Samna. But there have been other political parties which say that he was the one who was responsible for this entire mess and he should be suspended. So yes, there were political voices which were for and against him, but there were some voices which the CM heard today, and also the Home Department's verdict, which said there was a full report which was made by some senior police officers, which said that it would be prudent that he would be suspended, and then there could be a fair and independent probe into the matter.
Now, even as he is being suspended, Kashif, take us through the status of the investigations into the case.
What we understand is that the status of the case is, as of now, that Paraskar is on anticipatory bail, and the case is still going on in the court. And what we understand is that the next hearing is scheduled very soon. But what we also know that the police is looking to corroborate all witnesses and evidence in the case. Remember, there were allegations and counter allegations about the case. There were also charges made by the defense lawyer of Paraskar, saying that this entire case has been motivated and has been turned into a rape case, while the entire encounter between the model and the DIG was consensual. So that was a defense of Paraskar, which the court accepted and granted him anticipatory bail. But yes, the case is still going on at this moment, and there are fresh evidence which the police expect to file very soon.
Right, as we were talking about, Kashif, this case has really divided political parties, because the Shiv Sena has been coming out in support of Paraskar all along, whereas other parties have been saying that he should have been suspended much earlier to ensure that there was an investigation that was free and fair.
Yes, I mean, as you said, there was a division between the political parties. The division was the fact that this model, who had alleged molestation and rape against the DIG, there were political parties who thought that this was vested and it was against the interest of the police force. In fact, the Shiv Sena, in its editorial, in its mouthpiece Samna, gone on to malign the model's image and said that she was responsible for this entire case. And there were other political parties, like the political parties in power, like the NCP and the Congress, who in fact went on to say strongly about this Paraskar and said he should be suspended. So yes, the Home Department had an independent inquiry into the case. There were senior officers which were investigating, or rather probing the matter. They thought it was prudent that till the case is finished, it should be that the DIG should be suspended, so that he does not influence any witnesses, or he does not threaten the models as it was alleged by the defense of the model.